Welcome to a brief demo of the Learning Journey Builder that we have in our settings. So if you are an account admin or manager, you would have access to this. You can click into Learning Journeys. You'll see here any learning journeys that have already been dropped into your team account, or you can add a new one. If you want to add a new one, you can use a template that exists already on an organizational level, or you can start from scratch. Just to show you some of the options here, let's say we want to practice public speaking mastery. This is the name of our journey. We can have a brief description here, a start date if you want the journey to be available only on a certain date, whether you'd like people to receive a certificate at the end. We think this is a really nice feature, so I definitely recommend it. Auto-enrolling users is if you would like new users who are signing up under this cohort to automatically be enrolled in this, or if you would like them to be able to enroll by choice. Now we start building the journey. Let's say the first step is establishing a baseline through a practice mirror. You would add the stage from our drop-down activity type. As you'll see here, we have any number of our practice options available, as well as maybe it's an in-person workshop that you're using to kick this off. If it's an SKO, day-long activities in person, maybe it's a PDF to a specific framework, a video you've recorded, or even just a self-reflection. You can really be quite creative in the way you build this journey. We recommend giving people an estimate of how long this stage will take, and then in order to pass the stage, what do they need to do? Is it they need to practice this practice mirror presentation 3 times, twice, or do they need to achieve a certain score? Whatever you put there will determine what it takes for them to complete a stage. You can mark an activity as required or not, and off you go. Next stage, maybe now we're doing a reflection because we want people to reflect on this first presentation and their feedback that they've received. So it's a two-step process. We're starting with a self-reflection moment, right? That'll take about 5 minutes. And then we're going to move on to an opportunity for coaching with our AI. And in this case, we will choose a specific private coaching session with the AI where you can just share your most pressing public speaking challenge and talk through it with the AI. This will probably take a little bit longer, 15 minutes. Again, that's really nothing to do with score. We would like someone to try at least one coaching conversation. They can do more. It's a required activity, add stage. So you get the idea. You can add as many stages, as many activities as you'd like. When you're done, you click Save Journey, and that will then be available here. Other journeys may look like this if they're already built. So you have that title, description, associated goals. This is an active journey. Now I can't edit it because there are users on this journey exactly, but I can take a look at the stages, baseline, refining presentation, role play, final presentation, right? And then these individuals will get that credential and certification. So if you have a training program, a coaching program, an SKO, anything that is going to require skills integration in order to be impactful, this is a wonderful option to build learning journeys into the platform so that the platform is really mirroring your goals as well as anything that might be happening beyond the platform. So again, those in-person workshops, coaching sessions, etc.